Right, buckle up, because this one is an absolute bloody scandal that's going to leave you speechless. Chanel, the untouchable, legendary House of Chanel, has just slammed Meghan Markle with an $8 million lawsuit, claiming she treated their boutiques like her personal try-on closet, wore 47 couture pieces to red carpets, dinners and pap walks, then marched them back the next day for full refunds, while swearing blind they'd never been worn. And they've got the security footage, the lab reports, the receipts, the stains, the DNA, the full forensic package. This isn't gossip. This is a French fashion empire declaring war on Montecito's biggest grifter, and they are not here to play nice. We all knew Meghan loved luxury, but we thought at least some of it was paid for. Turns out, according to the lawsuit filed in Los Angeles, the Duchess of Sussex allegedly ran the most audacious wardrobing racket in celebrity history. 47 items, not one or two mistakes, 47 calculated purchases, public wares, overnight returns. We're talking gowns that cost more than most people's houses, worn once for the cameras, then boxed up and dumped back on Rodeo Drive with the tags magically reattached. Chanel says they have video of assistants walking in, lying to the sales staff, and on multiple occasions threatening to destroy the store if they didn't accept clearly worn, creased, makeup-stained items. One assistant allegedly told a manager, "You will take this back or the Duchess will make sure everyone knows your staff are racist." Racism card as a refund guarantee. Classy. This isn't just tacky, it's fraud on an industrial scale. Chanel claims the total value of the borrowed items exceeds $600,000, but they're suing for $8 million because Meghan used their intellectual property, their designs, their prestige to build her brand, her image, her podcasts, her Netflix cameos without ever paying a penny for the privilege. Every time she stepped out in a flawless Chanel tweed or silk column dress, she was allegedly running a con. Buy it, flaunt it, return it, pocket the refund, repeat. And the sick part? Some of those purchases were charged to cards in Prince Harry's name or to Archwell company accounts, then written off as business expenses before the refund hit. That's not savvy shopping, that's alleged tax fraud dressed up in couture. Imagine Catherine, Princess of Wales, doing this. Just try. The woman re-wears a 10-year-old coat dress and gets praised for being relatable and sustainable. Meghan allegedly treats Chanel like Shein, and we're supposed to call her a style icon? Please, Kate pays for her wardrobe, recycles it, and never ever sends anything back with self-tanner stains on the lining. That's dignity, that's class, that's actual royalty. What Meghan is accused of doing is the behavior of a desperate influencer who's run out of credit and goodwill. And Chanel didn't just wake up cranky one morning, they've been watching. They let her do it 47 times, gathering evidence like a luxury MI5. They have close-up footage of assistants removing security sensors with special tools, tucking tags into hems with tape so they wouldn't show in photos, then reattaching them the next day with a knockoff tag gun so the dress looked untouched. They have lab analysis showing traces of Meghan's exact shade of Armani foundation, her favorite diptyque perfume, even skin cells that allegedly match her DNA profile. They have the torn gold lame gown that came back with a ripped hem and an oil stain the size of a dinner plate after she wore it to a New York gala. When staff refused the return, her team allegedly threatened to go to the press with accusations of racism and shoddy workmanship. Chanel didn't flinch. They sent the dress to Paris for testing, confirmed the tear was from a stiletto heel, and said no refund, ever. That was the final straw. They opened the vault, pulled every receipt, every camera clip, every threatening email, and built a case so airtight even Meghan's crisis PR team can't spin it. And the best part? Other houses are now quietly auditing their own records. Dior, Givenchy, Valentino, they're all asking the same question. Did she do this to us too? Word is, LVMH has already circulated an internal memo. No loans, no sales, no access. Meghan Markle is officially blacklisted by Paris. The Duchess who wanted to rule Hollywood fashion just got excommunicated by the only church that matters. This is bigger than dresses. This is about entitlement so grotesque it finally bit her in the arse. She thought being married to a prince meant the world owed her free couture forever. She thought staff would stay quiet because no one dares challenge a duchess. Wrong. Chanel doesn't care about titles. Chanel doesn't need her clout. Chanel has been dressing actual queens before she was born. They saw a spoiled, scheming social climber allegedly stealing from them and said, "Not on our watch." And Harry, poor sod, is reportedly blindsided again. His credit cards were used. His name is on the filing as a person of interest. Here's the one who wrote in Spare about how broke they were, how they had to live off his inheritance. Yet apparently his wife was allegedly running a 6-figure wardrobe scam right under his nose. Mate, you left your family, your country, your duty for this, to be the husband of the woman who allegedly screamed at a Beverly Hills shop assistant, "Do you know who I am?" Yeah, we do now, love. We know exactly who you are. The internet is on fire, and for once it's unanimous. Even her most loyal stans are quiet. You can't defend this. You can't call Chanel racist when they've got video of your client allegedly bullying minimum wage staff to accept stained merchandise. Anna Wintour has already pulled the Met Gala invite that never officially existed, but everyone knew was coming. Vogue isn't touching her. No designer will loan her a belt, let alone a gown. She's done. Finished. The fashion world just cancelled Meghan Markle harder than the royal family ever did. This is the end of the con. The free ride is over. No more borrowed glamour to hide the fact that the Empress has no clothes. Literally, she'll be shopping Net-a-Porter like the rest of us, assuming her credit cards aren't maxed out paying Chanel's legal fees. If you're as raging as I am, if you're sick of watching this woman play victim while allegedly grifting the most prestigious brand on the earth, then smash that like button so hard YouTube feels it in California. Subscribe and hit the bell because we are not missing the trial. I want to be there the day they play the security footage in court and watch her face. Drop your favorite part of this entire glorious meltdown in the comments. I read every single one. Let's get this video to the top of YouTube because the truth deserves to trend more than her lies ever did. See you in the next one, darlings. It's only getting juicier from here.